presentations that we provide for the Real Estate Principles course. And in order to move forward within this PowerPoint presentation, I can just click on the screen and it will take me to the next PowerPoint, or I can actually use the arrows down here below and it will take me through the different PowerPoint slides. I can actually click here on the slides and go to a particular slide if I'd like to, or I can go back from there. There is a tool that allows you to kind of highlight certain things if you were trying to illustrate this to somebody else for a reason. It's a great tool for in-class features. Not really necessary online, but it's part of the functionality. This enters into full screen, this icon right here, and this gives us a few more options. If there were speaker notes available, which there aren't at this time, if you wanted to have it auto-advance, let's say if you wanted to auto-advance every 2 seconds, you just click play, and it should actually move forward with the PowerPoint slides for you every couple seconds. We'll go ahead and turn that off. And then there's some additional, this is Google Slides, so if there was any reason for you to report some issues with the slides, you could do that, but there shouldn't be any problems with these slides. That is the basic core functionality for the lesson presentation area, and we hope that you enjoy our presentations. These presentations are designed to help our students to get a general concept and idea of what's within the ebook, and also to provide some additional great kind of instructor resources and tools. But the best full comprehensive thing to study through is the ebook. This is what your quizzes are going to be testing you on. They're not going to be really testing you on what's in the PowerPoint. They're going to be testing you what's on in the ebook. But the PowerPoint presentation slides are fantastic. They've got a lot of great material in them, a lot of great videos to kind of dive deeper into particular topics, and they go along really well with obviously our video lectures as well. We hope that you enjoy them.